Now there are a lot of good C++ editors out there and a lot of good packages that you can use to write your code and build your C++ programs. But in this course I'm going to use Microsoft's Visual C++ Express simply because it's easy for everyone to get, it's totally free, and those are two hard combinations to beat. So, or that's a hard combination. I guess it's just one, right? But anyway, here's what you're going to do. Just go out to Microsoft.com and right there on the search, right on the top there, just do a Visual C++ Express and press return, and it should take you back out there. And notice right here is a link on the search results. Just click that. Now, this website will probably change 500 times by the time you get this course. It seems like every Tuesday Microsoft does a total revamp and half the links go bad, okay? But notice you're going to end up at a page at some point, something like this. Now, notice if you want to install in English, you can hit it right here. If you want to come down and see system requirements, you can do that. So notice you can run this on Windows 7, on Vista. I feel sorry for you there. XP. You can even run on server products, and you can do 64 or 32-bit. Here's your hardware requirements. Won't go into a whole lot of that right now. But all you do is simply click here to install. Now, it's going to tell you to open this, all right? And so you're going to save this file, and then once it's saved to your computer, then you're just going to hit it and double click it and execute it. Now notice I'm getting number 2 here because I've already done it. And then when I kick this off by double clicking and tell it to run here, it is going to go through a process of installing Visual C++ Express on my computer. Now you do need to be connected to a good connection to the internet. It's going to download quite a bit of stuff, over 100 megabytes if I remember correctly. It will take it 15-20 minutes or so to set up. When it's done, all right, you will click on Start, and you'll go to All Programs, and you will see Visual Studio 2010 Express, and there you will see Visual Studio C++ 2010 Express. Now the first time you open it up, it's going to look a little different from mine here because I've already been working on some various examples for the course here. But yours is going to be probably blank right here, but you also may get a window that pops up that says you need a license. Now don't freak out right there. They're not telling you have to pay for anything. You just have to go through a registration process. They will give you a code. You can put it in there, and then this thing will run from now on. Totally free. You never have to pay them a dime, anything like that, okay? So go to Microsoft.com, do a search for Visual C++ Express. It'll take you to a link, and you're wanting Visual C++ 2010 Express. Install it. If you need any prerequisites, .NET Framework, any of that kind of stuff, it'll drop it on there for you. You should be good to go. Now, if you have any trouble with the installation, go back and defrag your hard disk. It'll speed it up. You know, do all those kinds of housekeeping kinds of things. But it's very rare to have a problem installing this. Okay, so that's how to get Visual C++ Express.